Hi US, welcome to Manimandar TV. Today we are with C. Anmal sir. Today's topic is shutdown of forward trading.
Yes.
Sir, how come is it true?
See, forward trading is being carried out in many activities, shares, commodities,
Okay.
just like official betting, you can say.
Uh,
Without it is not supported by actual stock, not supported by actual shareholding. It is only assuming the future valuation. So, see, many people, especially who doesn't know about share market also, especially young people, those are at the age of 18 to 25, 30 like that. They are investing in forward trading. And many out of 10, 9 people are losing money.
hmm.
See, because of young people, they have access to cell phones and access to markets, immediate information. So they are planning, thinking that it is easy to do forward trading, share business in shares. And they doesn't know the difference. Many people doesn't know the difference between delivery based and forward trading. Share delivery based means you purchase and register the shares in your name, in your demat account, and sell the shares which you are holding in your demat account. Suppose you are having shares of 1000 shares of one company, A company. You can sell 1000 shares, 900 shares,
Hmm.
that from your account only. But you don't have any shares at all. But you want to purchase in advance and you want to settle the difference, maybe 1 day, 2 days, or 1 week like that. That is weekly settlement. And you have to, if the price increases, you have to pay the difference. And if the price reduces, you will get the money. It's nothing but speculation. So this, because many people are losing money, 9 out of 10 in dealing with forward trading, and they'll be losing confidence of uh, investment opportunity in India. See, forward trading is different from investment in investment. Investment really requires you invest your money, wait for some time, maybe short term period, below 3 years, middle term, 3 to 5 years, long term, above 5 years,
Go ahead.
and you wait for the result, you wait for the change. But this forward trading is not like that. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, maximum 1 week, it will be settlement has to be due. And there is no support of delivery, only settlement. So because 9 people out of 10 are losing money, the government has uh, thought of discontinuing this weekly options.
Hmm.
But strongest lobby is there in Securities Exchange Board of India. That has to be decision is taken by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. See that is feeling that it is very difficult to discontinue the weekly settlements. It is very difficult to shut down the weekly settlements. Curbing weekly futures and options. This weekly derivative expires is very sensitive subject and also has a lot of nuances. See, outright shutdown of weekly options would not be practical. According to SEBI, outright shutdown of these weekly options or forward trading is not practical. Why it is not practical or how it can be? See, what is happening is what we'll call a transaction based on unknown assets
Hmm.
and non-existing assets, non-existing options. So this should be avoided. This official, in my opinion, personal opinion, all these forward tradings are futures and options in shares or commodities or any market should be should be discontinued to protect the common innocent investor. Let the investor become the investor for a short period, maybe 3 years, medium period 5 years, longer period more than 5 years. Let them view the genuine investment opportunities to see that actually earns money through genuine operations. Not be this on baseless assumptions, baseless futures and options. People will say that if we are dealing with futures and options, there was people are saying that there is no future, no option. means because 9 out of 10 are losing money. So who is going to benefit it? So while investor is losing this forward trading investor is losing means somebody is getting benefit. The beneficiaries doesn't want to see that these weekly options are shut down.
Mm.
So we have to identify the beneficiary and we have to act tough against the beneficiary. And so to protect the small investor who is entering easily and losing money, it is nothing but betting money.
Yes.
When you are what we call taking action against betting, why can't the same? Because all these futures options are not supported by actual assets, actual sales, actual commodities. It is only settlement through difference settlement through difference values. So this should be protected. This should be discontinued at all. So it should be in control for small or less heavy market participants. See, all these small number of people, see, out of 100 rupees value transaction entered into SEBI stock exchange market, around 85 to 90% are these forwarded transactions only. Only 10 to 12% are 10 to 15% are delivery based. So these people who are dealing in 85% or 90%, they want that these futures and options should be continued. But the people who are investing in 10 to 15% who are in actual shares, actual investors, they want that their investment should be real one and supported by delivery. But these people, 85%, those who are dealing in 85%, they doesn't want that it should be continued. So the government has to take a stringent decision. The SEBI also takes a stringent decision to discontinue this weekly options settlement basis, including restricting the number of of course, the SEBI is taking first step, restricting the operations. Earlier, investor can invest with 5 lakhs. Now they increase it to 10 lakhs or 25 lakhs like that. Settlement period are also increased, change like that. See, it is doing one way or the other is excessively always dangerous. You want to discontinue, you discontinue it. It is not in one way or other way allowing. Even 1% leverage also will give lot of damage. So excessive speculation trading should be restricted, and excessive overvalue, excessive what we'll call speculative transaction by retail investors should be discouraged. See, all these retail investors are new people. They may not be doing about that. Showed that over 90% of the traders in the futures and options segment lose money. So this is one of the live example available. Those are investing 9 out of 10 are losing money. Then for whom the SEBI and government is working? You have to protect these 90% people. First, you protect them, and you assure them with confidence that their shares are in their holding, that supported by physical delivery of shares. So the government SEBI has to take a stringent decision to discontinue this forward trading in futures and options. SEBI will continue to analyze the data, and new options will be. The SEBI is saying that they will analyze the data, and any new policy interventions will be made to discourage the people especially new investors in forward trading option. Public consultation for this purpose, SEBI is calling for public consultation, and then they'll take decisions what action can be taken against the weekly settlement. Concerns over conflict of interest among SEBI board members is important. See, many SEBI board members are in favor of continuing the future weekly settlement of futures and options. That is the main reason. Government is willing, SEBI is willing, but the members who are the SEBI, board members of the SEBI, are not willing because they may be having personal interest in continuation of weekly options. Maybe they may be, or their related may be beneficiaries of this futures and options trading. So it is a decision of individuals to take decision. Unless SEBI bans the futures and options trading, it is individuals who are investing money should take precaution not to invest in forward trading. You go for investment in actual shares delivery and become the owner of the shares registered in Demat account, and you sell when the price increase. Wait for some time, you sell the shares after getting good price.